listen, I'm over at my family's house. My cousin. That's who I'm staying with. So we can go outside. See, she got the pool. She was gonna put water in it, but I'm really concerned about going out to that beach right there. That's what I want to hit up. Somebody's burning something. I don't know what it is. Well, get up and do some exercise, run, start my day. I think we're gonna go to the beach today, to this birthday party, and meet some more of my relatives, and going to the bank to exchange some money over as well. So, let's go.
So you said this is Wallace Beach, right? Wally Beach.
Spell it O-U-A.
Okay.
Australian.
O-U-A. All right. And those houses up there you can rent out? One room? Time to get in the water. About motherfucking time, right? Shit, I've been waiting for this shit. Been here a couple of days and haven't been in the water. Been recording and shit like that, eating, you know what I'm saying? You know, we got friends and family. You know, I met a lot of my family, and everywhere I went, they offered me food. So, this 20-day detox I went on, I'm gonna have to go back on a motherfucking detox again. Nah.
It's a dip, and it's black dip. They're on the Pacific.
Yeah.
So it's a little rougher. This here?
Oh shit.
One time me and Shona and her grandkids was here, and there was a starfish here.
Wow.
Yeah. It's nice. You can just keep walking. You'll get a dip like up to the black part. Well, he has a rope, so the dip might be further.
So that ball?
Right, the ball is the dip.
Ah! She bugging, yo.
Woo! This is it, cuz. You can do this. Where you need to be. And see, this is April.
Yeah.
Chilly as hell. June, July, August.
Hot.
Love it. I haven't been back in June, July, August because I haven't been able to pick that time for vacation.
Yeah.
My seniority don't permit me. But 85 now is not a bad time. It's just the water time. Like my pool water is chilly. All of that. This is like the
I mean, 85 is,
but the
it feel like,
is chilly.
yeah.
It's refreshing. But I like June, July, August.
It's not cold, you know.
I still get a tan. I don't care what it is. You need to dip all the way.
I am. I'm about to dip right now. Shit.
See, this is why I get my hair braided, because I like to get in the water. I ain't that pretty. I ain't worried about what my hair look like. I want it wet.
Y'all ready?
Woo! See how clean it is?
Yeah.
Taste, you see the taste?
Yeah. Salt water.
You have a cut and get in this water, you heal. Last year, Jonah got bit by all these red ants.
Huh?
Worse. Swollen color. The color to the prime together.
All right. Shit. Whew. Huh? Nah, I think I found a shell. Let me see. Time to get some shells. I had to go deeper. What's all under there is like seaweed. I don't want to get tangled up in that shit. This water's not like real deep. You gotta go way out. You know what I'm saying?